Welcome to the Vibrant Senior Life Hub. I'm Kiko Tanaka, and if you've noticed that our most effective longevity techniques often trace back to Japan, there's a powerful, personal reason why I know these methods work, and I'll share the full story about my family's direct connection at the very end. That reveal is essential to your success, so please stick with us to the finish.
As a physician specialized in geriatric medicine, I can tell you that longevity is about independence. And independence relies on the ability to move without fear. We're here to give you the clear science behind lifelong mobility.
My goal is to make Dr. Sterling's proven strategies easy and actionable. We're the power duo committed to your independent life. Starting with the most serious topic facing seniors today, falls. We need to be compassionate about this challenge, but firm in our action.
The problem is huge. 1 in 4 seniors fall each year. The moment you fall, you enter the cycle of fear. You move less, get weaker, and the risk of falling again skyrockets. A fall often marks the beginning of the end of independent living. We have to treat prevention seriously. Consider the story of Mr. Thomas. He was a retired accountant, perfectly healthy, but at 78, he tripped over a rug. It wasn't a serious injury, but the fall itself changed his life. He started canceling his weekly dinner club. He stopped going out to the store. He would only walk from the couch to the kitchen, clutching the furniture. His wife told me, "He's terrified of the 6-foot distance to the mailbox." Mr. Thomas lost his strength, not because he was old, but because he was paralyzed by fear. His muscles atrophied, his balance systems shut down, and the risk of a second, more serious fall became a certainty. He was terrified after a simple trip. This is the core fallacy, blaming age, when we should be focusing on atrophy, muscle loss, and mobility training. Falls are largely preventable by strengthening the SMART systems, the coordination, reflexes, and ankle stability. I prescribed only 3 minutes a day to re-engage those systems. Kiko will show you exactly how.
The resting squat. Lower yourself into a full, deep squat. How to do it: keep your feet flat on the ground and your spine as straight as possible. Your knees should track over your toes. This position is the foundation of ankle flexibility and deep hip mobility. Hold this relaxed position for 60 seconds.
The resting squat is not just a stretch. It is a primal human posture that reclaims your full mobility range. The depth of this squat is a key predictor of longevity across many cultures.
The wall sit. Slide your back down the wall until your knees and hips are at a perfect 90-degree angle. How to do it: make sure your shins are perpendicular to the floor and your lower back is fully pressed against the wall. This builds joint-safe power in your quadriceps and glutes. Hold this static position for 60 seconds.
When you do the wall sit, isometric holds are essential for building muscle capacity without joint impact. By practicing the wall sit regularly, you can access this pure, functional leg power anytime.
The dead hang. Find a sturdy bar. Simply hang with your arms fully extended. How to do it: use a mixed grip if needed, but focus on relaxing your shoulders to feel the stretch in your spine. This decompresses the spine and builds crucial forearm and grip strength. Hold this for 60 seconds, or as long as you can safely.
Grip strength is one of the single most reliable biomarkers for longevity. It directly correlates with bone density and cardiovascular health.
The horse stance. Stand with feet wide, sink your hips, and keep your back straight. How to do it: imagine sitting on a horse. Your knees should be directly over your ankles, not caving inward. This classic posture builds powerful hip stability and core engagement for better balance. Hold the slow posture for 60 seconds.
The horse stand exercise gives you the ultimate test of hip strength and endurance. A strong, stable core is the best defense against any unexpected trip or slip. Before Kiko's big reveal, I want to reiterate why this works. The 4 pillars are mobility, power, grip, and balance. 3 minutes a day addresses all 4. This is targeted physical therapy, a minimal investment for a lifetime of independence.
Thank you for staying until the end. As promised, I can share that these methods are so important to me because they are the same mobility and strength methods practiced by my family for generations. My Japanese ancestry has shown me that true longevity is rooted in these specific, simple, daily movements. If you want more proven strategies for staying independent, please hit the subscribe button right now and click the notification bell. We are committed to your independent life. Stay vibrant.